Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an exciting one because I get to be unboxing my Boxycharm subscription box with you today. Yay! Finally! Okay, so this is my January box. I have about 10 of these boxes because I usually get a delayed shipment. Boxycharm is a beauty subscription box that I subscribe to. So I get this package every month and this box retails for $25. So let's see what we have in here. Obviously it comes with a card that gives you all the necessary information inside your beauty box, and this cost me $25, featuring 5 beauty products. It could be makeup, it could be skincare, it could be even hair care sometimes. And I actually showed a quick glimpse of this with my shorts video. By now some of you already saw that. If you haven't, don't worry, I'm here to show you. So here, the first product here is by Pharmacy. This is the Pharmacy Daily Greens moisturizer. So this moisturizer is an oil-free gel moisturizer with moringa and papaya in it. I can't wait to try this one. This retails for $38, and remember I said the subscription is $25, so that product alone already paid for the box. Just saying. So the next thing that I'm reaching out to is the Pearl 4-in-1 tinted moisturizer. This comes really handy, and I like the fact that it's like this because I can easily travel with it. So this is a multi-purpose all-in-one broad spectrum sunscreen, moisturizer, primer and foundation with SPF 20, and this retails for $35. And the next thing that I'll be reaching out for here is the Violet Verse Olive View Forever eyeshadow palette, and this is what the palette looks inside out. I already swatched this, and this retails for $34. They actually really look good. See all those matte colors and the olives. So I was actually thinking that this palette will have more greens, but I'm even more happy that I've got nudes in it. So this palette includes creamy mattes, mesmerizing metallics and fall eyeshadows. So the next product here will be the Trust Fund Beauty Lip Gasm Lip Gloss in shade Unprofessional. So this is a sheer hot pitch that will tell the world you mean business and that your business is none than theirs. And this retails for $18, and this is quite pricey, you know. The next product that I'll be reaching out to is the Seraphine Botanicals Apple and Balm Lip Mask. Boost hydration and glow with this protective lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot plus jojoba and rose hip oil. So basically this is for chapped lips or moisturizing, yeah. And this retails for $25. Really? Look at this. This is the actual worth of my box. Without further ado, ladies, let's get right into the using of these products. First off, I'm going to hydrate my face, moisturize my lip. So this is what the lip mask really looks like. It has a little hint of very light pink, and it smells good. It's really thick, yeah. It feels like something that is going to lock in moisture. Plus this is supposed to be a sleeping mask, but I'm using it now, so I don't know. Does that mean anything? And I'm going to put that right on my hand. I don't want to put too much, so I'm going to put that on my face. Let's moisturize. This feels good, and the smell doesn't also overwhelm you. Now I'm going to wait for my moisturizer to settle in a bit before I go in with my foundation or concealer. I like to quickly set up my face with a translucent powder, so I'm just going to do that quickly and do my browse off camera, and then I come back to you. All right, so let's see. So the eye has been primed. I just want to smoothen things out, and I like this palette, the fact that it has a mirror that you can use. I'll be starting with this light shade here, and packing that on the crease lightly. The good thing about this is upon getting a palette, you just need to get creative to use anything. So I have no idea what I'm coming to do. I just know I'm mixing colors together to create something for me. The next shade I'll be taking is this one here. It says Olive Me. But before I go in, let me quickly wet my brush, because now we are going to the foils and metallics, and I like to get a nice damped brush. Now I feel like doing this shade right here, and this is Olive Glow, right? So I'm going to use that also right in the middle of my lid. I'm going to use a shader brush, go in with this slightly dark shade and the brown here to diffuse in just a little bit. Getting a blending brush to blend out. Now using this shade right here, it says Major Spotlight. So I'm going to use it to highlight, just to pack that on a little bit here as well. So I'm going to do this right now, and this is what it looks like at the back of my hand. This looks light. Let's see how this goes. So this is my base box, and in the base box you get to choose one item, and this was the shade that I picked for myself. So there are other subscription options or boxes. So let me quickly blend this on quickly, and I will get back to the video. It looks like this is blending along well. What do you guys think? This looks good. Okay, let's do the other side. Usually I'm not a foundation person, but these are the kind of foundations that I like. It feels light, it doesn't feel thick, it feels like something that you can use for everyday look. Alright beauty, so I'm back now. I did the foundation. I did one coat of that, and this looks really beautiful. I like the feeling of this because usually I don't like to wear foundations because my smile lines always get in the way after doing the powder. Yeah, so this really feels good. I didn't put powder yet. I'm going to do that in a bit, but I just wanted you to see this, the effect of this foundation, and I like it. And I think it also has a kind of glow to it, and for me this can actually pass for me to also not wear powder if I don't want to. Yeah, so now I'm going to quickly do my waterline. You can see I already lined my lip because I'm going to use that peach lip gloss, and I like my lips to be lined. Yeah, so I'm going to be using Infinity with Charmed. That shade is good. Actually, my choice was good. So I'm going to do the same thing for this side. Oops. A quick, swift one. So set the face. Nothing serious. Now I'm going to use this on my lip. I already lined my lip, so I'm just gonna put that right in the middle. Oh wow, okay. feels good. A bit thick also. I actually thought this peach color would not go with this olive eyes, but it kind of works. Okay. I'm feeling this. So that's it for my box. I'm not going to do anything extra again, because as you can see, this just looks like a very normal look that you can rock for every day. This turned out well. I'm quite impressed with my January box, and I'm waiting to receive my February box. Before that, I have a ton of other boxes to unbox with you ladies, and I bet you are going to love this one. So the top product that actually did it for me was definitely this foundation. Oh my goodness, this is my first time trying a complexion product from Pear. Most times I get their eyeshadows, and I really like this one. The fact that I was even able to pick my shade, and this shade is DG6, and also the Violet Voss palette. Look at that again. This is a really beautiful palette. I wasn't expecting this at all. Every color in here is really wearable, and of course the Pharmacy Daily Green moisturizer. Look, I'm feeling it. And I actually love when my moisturizer comes in a glass bottle. And for me, I really like this lip balm, considering the fact that it actually smells like fresh bites of green apples. Honestly, I love this so much. And this lip gloss right here. So if you're someone like me that also loves everything beauty, lifestyle, makeup, and skincare, this is what this box actually offers you. Of course, depending on your subscription box of choice. Yeah, I would highly recommend Boxycharm if you love everything makeup, skincare, beauty care, hair care. I mean, sometimes you even get lifestyle products in there. Of course, that depends on the subscription option that you go for. So I'm going to be leaving my link in the description box. It's a referral link, so if you click on that, it's going to show that I referred you to Boxycharm. And yeah, so let me know if you're able to subscribe to Boxycharm. I'm going to be leaving my Instagram handle here just for you to like get in touch with me. Yes, so come closer. If you enjoyed me unboxing this beauty box, definitely you want to check out my other videos, and you want to be sure that you are subscribed just so you don't miss any other kind of video that I have. Okay, so subscribe, click the red button, give me a like, and of course I would see you on the next one. Bye bye.